breakdown of what we had for today, trade we took today. First is, as usual, welcome to Soft Trading Academy. Please remember to like, share, and follow our YouTube channel for encouragement for me to always post our trades. So first, I always go to my forest factory. That forest factory gives me a view of what the drivers of price will look like. You understand? So now coming, if you watch for Monday, Tuesday, we have nothing. So I wasn't doing anything. This is the only trade that I've taken so far for the week. So I think last week I was explaining to my student as well. I explained this pattern for him, and he also understand. So here you see I have Wednesday for trade, and I'm trading. I always trade JPB USD. So see on 9:30 a.m. I'm having news, and also since it's USD correlated by 2:45 as well, I'm also having a news. So you see me trying to impute time and price in what I do. So coming back to my pair, first is in the morning when I came in, I saw we had this push. First, already the price have traded down to, I think, the daily order block coming. So coming to chart, I saw price traded into this place, which is this other block. You understand? Because when you watch what we had price come down and it pushed to the upside, breaking the structure. So when price came here, I think on the 15 minutes, now it came in at the wrong time, not when I'm supposed to be trading. It came in around 11:15, so I won't be on chart then. So in the morning, I had this setup printing like this. So you see more of like lower time frame confirmation. So I saw price do this. Yes, it created as if it created a structure here, but when you look from this side, there's no structure yet broken. You have not taken out this high that will say, okay, you've taken out structure. So, but coming here again, you see, after retracement, it broke above here. You understand? It broke above here. So here, it's like a break of market structure. So you can call it BMS or whatever you call it. I just want to make this thing very short. So you call this BMS. So now, using your gang 2 or Fibonacci, whatever, so you're looking for discount and premium. I think I discussed discount and premium on my YouTube channel, or if I didn't, I will still make a video of that. There's a lot of things you need to put into consideration when trading. Those things will be revealed more in details in my private mentorship. So looking at 0.5 level, I had this other block here as well. So I had my entry here, my SL here, and then coming to what I showed you guys initially, 9:30, come back to this place. See, I had news 9:30. So 9:30, you had the push. You understand? Normally, I close my trade 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock when I take trade in the morning. So see, by 10 o'clock, we had the sharp rejection. They say I saw this sharp rejection. I came out of I closed out the trade, and I waited for afternoon. So coming in the afternoon, around 1:30, I took this buy. I think yes, I took this buy because of this engulfing I saw. So I took this buy, a little bit of this buy to this place. So coming, I closed out here around 240. 240, yeah, around 240, because coming back again, we'll have news around I've revealed a lot of secrets for you guys for free. So coming back to the forest factory, I have news around 245. So I said, okay, let me close out this around 240, and then I looked from here. I saw we have a fair value gap here as well. So I be like, okay, this is where price is going to. I pick out my fair value gap. I think I also explained this thing on my DC. You can use a 50% of the fair value gap for your entry. See, so you have your entry here. So well, for me, for this, because of the news, you're supposed to have your trade, your entry on 0.5 here, which is this red area. So but because of the news, I didn't use this because sometimes the news comes with spread, so the spread will not really plug you in the time you want. So I just used around this place. This is where I enter my trade from, and then give out the market this little bit spread, and had my SL above here because of the entry type just FVG. So when you have your entry, you can use 0.5 of here and then your SL here. And then now here comes how to take your profit. This move, you check the low. If there's any fair value gap or any place that price will be rebalancing to. So I used this fair value gap here. There's a fair value gap here. Watch very closely. I used 50% of this fair value gap for my exit. So you see, I exited here and I'm done. This is just it. Two trades, all went clean, and that's all. So you must not really be on the market all the time, scattering everywhere. Now, just few trades. And our mentorship program is still on. It's more of like one-on-one. I discovered that my students do well when I teach them one-on-one. So I resorted to teaching one-on-one. So it's going to be one-on-one section. It's just going for $100 only, just only $100. It's going to be one-on-one section. Anytime you're free, you book a section. We treat the market. So with that, you'll be able to understand the market, and it's far better. So I still have my recorded version where I get the recorded places of where I taught and me teaching as well. So if you still want the recorded version, I can also send it for you. So but you learn more and faster with my one-on-one. If you also want one-on-one physical, they're still available. It just cost you more. I wish you all guys a profitable week. I love you all.